Mami, huwag ka na maganyan. Lilipad rin yan. Lilipad rin ganito. Oh, sige. Ilaban mo yan, ha. Pag nilipad yan, ha. Walang sisihan sa paglipad. Yes, we are now at our next destination, which is the Baidin Pagoda. Nag-ready na kami ng aming raincoat. Hi! Where's the electric car?
Hello.
There, okay. I'm excited. We're gonna pray. Sasakay na kami ng electric car. Let's go! Talagang nilaban namin ang pagganito namin, di ba? Kahit talagang bagyo. Yan ang tinatawag na fighting spirit. O, mami, huwag ka na maganyan. Lilipad rin yan. Lilipad rin ganito. O, sige. Ilaban mo yan, ha. Pag nilipad yan, ha. Walang sisihan sa paglipad. So this is our first stop, 3 gates. Mga deities. I feel the energy. Do you feel it? I feel it. Wow. Super payapa dito, as in, I could feel the energy. Good energy. It's making me emotional. I don't know why. We are now on our way to go to the pagoda. Medyo pagod na. Okay, thank you. This one? Yes.
The jade was brought back to India 2,600 years ago.
Okay, so naiwan kami ni Mami, drop off kami sa isang random tindahan, pero walang seller at walang ibang tao. So good luck na lang talaga sa amin kung anong mangyari. And we're gonna wait for our electric car here. Aura. Ay, matatipad naman tayo. Wow! Natapos din kami. Kung kailan kami natapos, saka bumuhos yung ulan namin. The whole time that we were going around dun sa mga hall, temple, hindi siya aurang ulan. But pagsakay namin towards our last, like the exit, biglang whoosh, biglang bumuhos. So, thank you to the spirits and the energies that are watching over us. Fun. It's very fun, especially if you are into these things. I love this. I love this place. I will be back when I go back to Ninbin next time. For sure.